Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to use wait how to shop online from the Camelizer. So here you search on Google bar the Camelizer. You will get this is the application. This is the website for the Camelizer. Here you see you can shop from it, and this website is also on browse extension. Let me show you. You go here and you search extension on Google Web Store, and you see here the extension overview. I'm going to read the overview for you. It's easily view historical pricing data from camel.com. The camel.com functionally in your web browser. Click on the camel icon in your address bar to see historical pricing data, or set up watches and get an email when the price drop. So here you see when the price drop you will get the email. So this application is very useful. So here you add extension from here, and you see the extension is already added. So this is the video for today. See you tomorrow.